Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be renovating Cat's room because her birthday is coming up and she will be turning into a toddler soon. Okay, now I'm just going to delete literally everything in the room. You guys are free to copy, but please give them inspo. Okay, I'm just going to choose a wallpaper. I'm going to choose a cute one because it's like a kid's room. I do actually end up changing the wallpaper because that does not match what I'm going to be putting in a second. Okay, I'm just going to choose a floor. I'm going to choose like a nice carpet. I'm not using that bed. Okay, I'm just going to go and find a little bed. Oh, that one's cute. I'll put that there. Then I'm going to go and change the wallpaper because I don't like it. Should I do that one? Oh no. I think I might do the one below the cat one. Yeah. That is cute. I put the bed at the side. I think I'm just going to put a bedside table. Oh, this looks cute. Wait. Oh, I don't know. Wait, let's see if I can find a different one. And I can compare. Oh, I could do that one. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I think I could do that one, yeah. Okay, I'm going to add a picture. Oh, that butterfly one. Yeah, it's actually going to be there. Okay, I'm going to get some drawers or something. I'm not using them. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use something. Also guys, if you're through to this part of the video, please rate it out of 10 and tell me what video ideas you want to see next, and should I post all my TikToks on my YouTube, because I do TikToks. My account is It's Chocobella, so go and follow me. Sorry about that, I got sidetracked. Anyway, I'm gonna get those drawers here. Should I do heater now? Oh, I'm not using that. Okay, let's see. Am I in the wrong category? Wait. I think I might be in the wrong section. Oh wait, no, I really want that. Looks a bit weird on here now. I'll fix it later. Okay, I'm gonna try and find the dollhouse. Put it there. Oh, get on the drawers. Yeah, there we go. Like, I need something to go there, but the drawers don't fit either. So I'm gonna move the bedside table bit. That is like. Then I'm gonna move the poster. Okay. No, I need to space it out. That looks so good. It's basically like just like covering. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get a rug. I think I might get a cat one because her name's Cat. That's cute. I'm gonna get, so if you didn't know, the new Slow-Mo Supermarket comes in this little vending machine, and it's got like all the little characters in it, and I find it so cute. I'll show you. So it's got a little red pasta. Then it's got money. I don't use that. I'll just put it there as like test these out. And I think my room, well, Cat's room is almost done. I'm going to add some instruments because that's so cute. And I just know you're going to be using them all the time. I'm also going to get that little shell because that's so cute. And guys, I think that's it. Bye!